Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Fun TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We are here with another very interesting episode for you guys because we have a lots of animal in our today video. We have a lots of character, we have guns, and especially we have cobra snake, sea animal, rainforest animal, we have wild animal, we have farm animal, we have cute animals. So we have basically today a lots of animals including with big fish. So as per format, let's pick all the things in a plastic tray, then we will move to washing area. So I am picking now the satellite phone, that seahorse with a crab, so these are the sea animals, a dolphin and a shark, that's octopus. So this we pick all the sea animals, and here come the cobra snake. And the further things we are collecting like horse, like frog, this dolphin and shark, and that's a PJ Mask character. These are two mini pocket guns, and that's our alligator, and that's our camel and our sports heavy bike. So we are ready to rock and roll. So let's yalla. Here we go. We are here in the washing area, and let's start our dolphin first. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. Dolphin. Wow guys, dolphins are awesome sea animals.
Click, 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 click. I'm a dolphin singing in the sea.
And the next one we have is satellite phone. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla guys. Here we go. The satellite phone.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So standard stuff, 16 channels, can be programmed.
Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is a mini pocket gun. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Yalla guys. Here we go. We have mini 30mm pocket gun. Bang bang. Here we go. And the next one we have is again mini pocket gun. That's different. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla guys. Here we go. We have 10mm pocket revolver. Bang bang. Here we go.
Couple and single action. And then we'll go to double.
And the next one we have is octopus, which is a sea animal. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla guys. Here we go. Octopus is clean. Octopus is a sea animal. Here we go. And the next one we have is ghose. Wow. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla guys. Here we go. Goose is clean. Goose is a farm animal, comes in a cute animal category as well.
Honk, honk, honk. They want breakfast, so they come. Stretching out.
Here we go. Another beautiful farm animal. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Yalla guys. Here we go. Duck. Duck is a farm animal and comes in cute animal category. And the next one we have is some character from Avengers. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. We have Thor from Avengers Endgame series. Your favorite character.
Loki!
No, it's Tony. Remember?
And the next one we have is Turtle. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Yalla guys. Here we go. Turtle, which is a sea animal.
I had a little turtle.
Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is alligator. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. Alligator. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is a mask. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Yalla guys. Here we go. We have Spider-Man mask, your friendly neighborhood character from Avengers Endgame series. And the next one we have is PJ Mask, another your favorite character. Let's Yalla guys. Here we go. We have PJ Mask. That is so much fun, guys.
Help us, cat boy! Cat boy, help me! No! Break's over!
Let's check out the next one. Let's watch him. Let's watch. And we have whale, the world's biggest fish. Whale is a sea animal. Wow, guys.
Blue whale, the largest animal on earth.
And the next one we have snake. Let's watch him, guys. Let's watch. Let's Yalla, guys. Here we go. We have a cobra snake. Wow, that is cool. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is frog. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go, frog. Cool, guys. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is crab, which is a sea animal. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Yalla, guys. Here we go. Crab. That's awesome, guys. Crab is clean. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is a farm tractor. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Yalla, guys. Here we go. We have a tractor. Wow, just look at the shape and design of this tractor. Look like the real one. And the next one we have is walrus, which is a sea animal. Let's watch him. Let's Yalla, guys. Here we go. Walrus. Wow. That is cool. And next one we have is seahorse. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. Seahorse, the world's smallest animal. Here we go. And in last we have another farm animal. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. Yalla, guys. Horse. The big farm animal is clean. Wow, that is so much fun. So you can see we have cleaned all the things. So now subscribe the channel, and thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye bye. See you again.